You might be wondering where I got this image here. Well, I got that image from this website called unsplash.com. They provide copyright-free images for you for absolutely free. You do not have to pay for it, or you could always give donations to the authors of the images, but generally you don't have to. There are a lot of images that you can find here. You can just search for the word business card, and you could find images relating to this topic, business card. Like this one, which I used. You could also go to pixabay.com. They also provide copyright-free images.